Welcome to this new tutorial. Today we're going to discover a new feature in the BlueStack module, the physical inventory. This feature helps you to prepare the items you want to count on the desktop version. Then you can take your iPad and go physically check the items shelf by shelf. In the end, you process the corrections from the desktop and validate the physical inventory. First, open BlueStack. Open the Inventory Status submodule in the Inventory module. Select the stock that is subject to the inventory. Click on the Physical Inventory tab. Switch to Edit mode. Add an inventory line by clicking on the plus button. You can rename the inventory if you want. Click on the plus button of the Associated Items panel. A window pops up to allow you to select the item contained in the inventory. You can filter at your convenience to find what you need. It can be a type, a zone, a shelf, any column. Select the relevant elements and click on the right arrow. You can select the elements one by one or click on the grid and drag your mouse down to select several elements at the same time. For the full physical inventory, you can use Ctrl-A to add your complete stock. For now, you can see a to be verified flag. It indicates that you did not already check how many items are truly in your stock. Validate. The inventory is now prepared. Proceed to your physical inventory. When the number of items is equal to the expected quantity, NA will be automatically put in the GRN corrective column. An updated flag will indicate that the expected quantity is approved. You can either enter the number of items or you can click on the Validate button on top of the panel. When you find a different number of items, a temporary corrective GRN will be automatically generated. It will appear when you will validate this change. The verified flag will appear to state that you made the verification. Validate the change by clicking on the Validate button. Save the changes. The corrective GRN is now displayed. You can also perform the inventory on the iPad app. Open the Blue MRO app. Tap on the Physical Inventories button in the menu. Select the inventory in the Ongoing Physical Inventories column. You can see all the items at a time or just the pending items. Tap on Edit in the top right corner. When you will tap on an action button to start working, you will be asked to badge in. Thanks to this, we will know who checked each item and when. To validate the item, tap on the Validate Item button. You can tap on the plus or minus button to set the new quantity, or you can edit the number thanks to the free text field. Thanks to the search bar, you can filter to find the items that are on a certain shelf, for example. When you are done, tap on Done in the top right corner. Once you have checked everything, you can go back to the desktop version and refresh data. Switch to Edit mode. Click on the Perform Stock Correction button to apply the changes to the stock. There are two buttons of this type. The one on the Associated Item panel applies the changes to the selected lines. The one on the Physical Inventory panel will apply the changes to the entire inventory. The updated flag will turn into a verified flag. A definitive corrective GRN will be generated as you save. You keep an historical record of this inventory. In the Inventory Moves GRN submodule, the corrective moves in or out are now created. Refresh data to see them appear. An automatic remark is displayed to indicate the reason for the move. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. We hope it will help you to work more efficiently. Do not hesitate to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be the first to discover our next exclusive videos.